fun while learning ag sound. Jai Shri friends. Welcome back to my channel Kids Free Education. Today I brought second very interesting ag family words practice worksheet for you. So let's practice. You see ag family words. Second practice worksheet. Question 1. Complete the sentence using the pictures. So you need to see the pictures and complete the sentence. Let's try one. I have a red dash. So what's this picture made of? Let's try. I think so. Bag? No. Tag? No. Bag? Oh yes, it's bag. We get the first one. Now we will try the other two. The dash is on the bag. Now what is on the bag? Tag? Yes, it's a tag. The dog can dash. Wag? Yes, it can wag. Well, wow, we did all of them. If you also got all the answers correct, please like and subscribe then. Move on the second question. Circle the ag words. So, this is what is your homework question. You need to circle the ag words only. Do not do any other word. Ag. Listen to me carefully. Ag. Okay? I'm making you do this a lot, but I'm making you do it because it will improve your reading skills and it will make you learn more vocabulary. Hey, now you will say how? These words are of vocabulary only, so you will learn more. You can do it. Just try. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video for more interesting videos.